Hello friends, Shushmita here, and today I will show you how to make calendar of the year 2024 in Excel. First, create a table like this. Then choose month cell and create list of months like this. Now type in this formula in cell B4. Then select the numbers and click Home, Numbers, General, More Number Format. Click on Custom and type in D, then click on OK. Now use conditional formatting to gray out dates which not in this month. For this, click on conditional formatting. Use the last option and type the formula. Then click on Format, choose gray color and click on OK, and then again click on OK. Now the calendar is ready for use.